Madagascar, a tapestry of life. Welcome to Madagascar, a unique island nation nestled in the Indian Ocean. Known for its rich biodiversity, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture, Madagascar is a tapestry of life like no other. Madagascar's varied terrain has given rise to a remarkable array of ecosystems, each hosting a myriad of unique plant and animal species found nowhere else on Earth. Madagascar is a biodiversity hotspot. The isolation of the island has led to the evolution of incredible endemic species, making it a living laboratory for researchers and nature enthusiasts. Meet the lemurs, the charismatic primates that call Madagascar home. With over 100 different species, lemurs have adapted to the island's diverse environments, from the lush rainforests to the spiny forests. Lemurs play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Sadly, many species are endangered due to habitat loss and human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique creatures. Madagascar's cultural landscape is as diverse as its ecosystems. The Malagasy people, with their warm hospitality, have preserved a rich tapestry of traditions. Music and dance. Their culture is a blend of African, Asian, and European influences. From the traditional Hiragasi performances to the vibrant Lamba textiles, every aspect reflects their unique identity. Despite its natural wonders, Madagascar faces significant challenges. Deforestation, habitat destruction, and the illegal wildlife trade threaten the delicate balance of its ecosystems. Conservation initiatives are crucial to protect Madagascar's unique biodiversity. Sustainable practices, reforestation projects, and community involvement are essential to safeguard the island's future. Madagascar, a jewel in the Indian Ocean, beckons us to appreciate the delicate interplay between nature and culture. As we journey through this island nation, let us celebrate its diversity, work towards conservation, and ensure that the tapestry of life in Madagascar remains vibrant for generations to come.